What's up, everybody? It's your boy Apollo, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing the Copart Z rebuild process, and today we're focusing on the wheels. Beforehand, I thought it was going to be as simple as taking them off. Well, let's take a look here. As you can see, we have a different lock nut, and then there's one up there that's different, and these three are the same. So we're gonna have to extract them. Only problem I'm having though is this one. That one right there is being the biggest issue. We gotta figure out how to get this one off. So over here, I've already started here, and it worked great for all the other ones except that one. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna set you guys up and continue to try to get this one off. Alright, well, we have a problem. Alright, guys, so after very much frustration, I have been trying to get that wheel lock off, and it turns out that that wheel lock is one of one, pretty much. It's made by Advanced Wheel Locks. Why are you looking at me, bro? Mind your business, do your homework, man, do your homework. It's made by Advanced Wheel Locks, and they specialize in wheel locks. And they're pretty good because I can't get them off no matter what. I'd probably have to cut it off. That's the only way this is coming off. So right now I've been in contact with everyone that I could possibly get in contact with. The title company, the auction yard, the insurance company. I am trying to track down this owner because this is almost the only way I'm gonna be able to get it off, especially the cheapest way. So hopefully I'll be able to get that off. I will give you guys an update when I hear something. I'm not gonna disclose the owner's information, but I was able to contact the previous owner, kind of talk to the owner and see what happened. He took very good care of the car and all of that rundown. And just like that, guys, we have it ordered. I want to say one more time, if you are watching this video, the previous owner, thank you so much, bro. You really saved the day, because without that information I needed to get that key, I would have had to break the stud or plasma cut the stud, and that could have further damaged the spindle. All right, guys, so the lock actually did come in yesterday. I was trying to wait around so I can get the compression arm so I can go ahead and, get that put on, but dude name is Christopher. So whoever you are, FedEx driver named Christopher, or you've been in that same spot for like an hour, bro. You supposed to be delivering, not lollygagging. But right now we're gonna go to the shop, bro, and go ahead and get those wheels off. Cold outside today. Get some valve open action. Yeah. Low tire. Show you guys how to drive. We're stopping. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. This is the key. This is supposedly the key for these wheels. I got in contact with the owner and got this synced out. So say less. So hopefully, bro, this is actually a key. Hopefully. So see real quick. Look at the complexity of this key, bro. I will vouch for them. Like, now I'm gonna be running these specifically just because I was not able to get this off. I was only gonna be able to get this off if I broke the stud, cut it, or something like that. I won't show you the code because there's a special key code because each one of these are different. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I think the flat side. Yep. And you're not supposed to use an impact driver, so let me just grab a wrench real quick and get this off. And we're gonna save all of these because we're gonna put them on with the new wheels. We finally got the key off. This one's kind of damaged, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna try to get it repaired. If not though, then we'll figure it out. But this does work. I'm so glad this works. Each of these have a unique key code, so I can't show you that because I don't want you guys trying to take my wheels. So this is the only actual thing I got. The other ones are gonna have to be extracted, but I have some that can do that for those. For the problem was just this little key right here. These wheel locks right here. I see this is going well. I'm gonna go ahead and go get some gloves. And when I get those gloves, then I'll be able to get that off. There it is. Dang. Oh my goodness. All right, you know what? I'm about to break out the big boys. Woo. All right. That one was on there. Now we have all 4 of these off. Thank you, bro. These are amazing wheel locks. Like, if you need any wheel locks, the ones to get would be this. They're about, I think, 150 to 200 or something. But to protect wheels, I think, not these wheels, but my wheels, I think that's a great investment. So I'm just gonna keep them and use them on it. Look at the complexity of this thing, bro. Like, no wonder it couldn't come off. All right, guys, so now we got all of those off. We're gonna go ahead, set you up. We're gonna take these wheels off, and I am excited to finally get these things off. The rest of them have to be extracted, but I have plenty of extractors from trying to get that wheel lock off. Plenty of extractors, plenty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of the long ones back on. That worked pretty good. I think it was this one. Check it out. Definitely not that one. A lot. Yep. And that makes one complete wheel, bro. Let's get this thing off. Finally got one wheel off. Looks like we're gonna be able to keep these rear tires, bro. The wheels may be fucked, but these rear tires will be, I don't know if they're the same spec, but we'll figure it out. If anything, I'll sell. I don't wanna really bore you guys with all that, so I'm gonna just time lapse it. But here we go. This wheel is crazy. Tires completely done. No saving this. This is crazy work. Time to get the big boy off. Oh, so this one's actually got to move. I'm literally about to have to like bust that as much as I can to get it out the way to be able to get that wheel lock off. Well, to get that lug nut off. So this should be fun. Let's see. Assessing the damage. That's crazy, bro. I mean, no wonder that thing broke. That compression arm, I'm not surprised. Let's put all these extractor bits back up. We're gonna take this last wheel off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mark up the new wheels, and we're gonna see what we think, man. We are ready to put the new wheels on, and these are it. These are Word Commotion KAI. These things are tough. I got these for a steal. That's part of what's making this build possible. Just me being able to source things and actually find things like you would, not just, you know, blowing all the money or balling out. It's exactly how you would. You would find it on Facebook Market, maybe some things brand new, some things used, you know, that way. So I got these wheels for right over $1,000. I won't say specifics, but wheels and tires for Word Commotions. Kind of crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These wheels are pretty kind of rare, man. I mean, this is a 19 by. Actually, I forgot the specs. I'll put them up right here. But yeah, they're in black chrome, so that's gonna be super tough. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them on the car. Just probably put one lug nut on there, one like security lug or something like that, just to have them on there. We'll be able to see what it looks like on the car. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try out my new head mount. See how this thing works. make sure it's tight because my phone just fell. And it kind of hurt my feelings. But here we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sit all these wheels kind of where they're gonna go. This one on this one. Ooh, I don't know about y'all, but that looked tough. Get out of my way, twin. Before I switch cheese your ass, twin. Come on. Yeah. Dang. All right. Well, no, something is better than nothing, so this is gonna help us. I'm not gonna play these games with Buddy. Let's just get some in there. I don't care if it's perfect or not. I just wanna have him on the car, kind of see him a little bit. Yeah, that's what we're gonna work with. Come on. Ooh. Oh yeah. Dang, bro, I cannot wait to get the coilovers and everything on. We put it down, lower it, fix everything, wrap it. And this car is gonna come together. Let's get these fronts. With these questionable tires, twin. Bro, you know, you gotta use what you gotta use, bro. I don't even think this is the key for this bad boy, but if it help us get it on there, that's all I care about. Y'all know about the star pattern, right? Or the triangle. That's what you're supposed to do when you're putting stuff on. That's how you start tightening them. Do bam, 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 all evenly, then go back around and make sure it's plated correctly, seated, not plated. And that's why, just because you don't want any, it's kind of like a torque spec sequence. You gotta have it like all in sequence. I might not need any spacers or anything with this car. Now I'm looking at it, I don't think I will. Did I really put this shit on there face first, bro? What the heck is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I mean, they're nicked a little bit already, but I'm not trying to further damage. You guys enjoy the 0.5 better. That may be better because it might be too close for you. Check it out. All right. There we go. Look at how wobbly it is. Can you see that? Because it doesn't have that compression arm support. I'm gonna boom this on there. Gonna boom this one on it. Oh, I'll boom this one on there. Bet. I think it looks great. Like I said, because of the offset and everything, I'm gonna have to see. Yeah, obviously the wheel's not on the way, but if I'm not mistaken, he told me I may have to roll these fenders. That's what may have to be done, but that's nothing crazy. That's some light work, but we're gonna see. I'll give him a call and figure all that out. But other than that, bro, yeah, that's what we're working with. Let me know down below what you guys think. I mean, I think they're tough. That black chrome, it's just something about it, bro. So if I do get these refinished, I'm gonna go back with black chrome. It's just not gonna change, but honestly, I'm cool with how they are, especially how much I got them for. And they came with tires. Like you're not getting 9.5, 10.5 work emotions K or CAI or whatever they are. You're not getting those for the price that I'm paying. So, and with tires, you're not. So you can't complain about too much. But other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I bought that head mount specifically for you guys, so I hope you guys like it. I feel like it was the best option, especially when I'm doing things, so I ain't gotta always time-lapse you guys. Yeah, man, the Z, we've completed that. I mean, that was a big thing, not being able to have those wheel locks off, and I didn't want to damage, well, I didn't care to damage them at that point in time, but now, with the wheel lock, I pushed it down on it, so it'll go back over there like normal. I'll find it, there it is. Look at all those combinations of key. They literally is like thousands of options. So, and it does not, like, the traditional extractor does not fit over this. Have any issue with anyone trying to take your wheels. And that's exactly what I'm gonna put right back on these wheels right here. Blend the coilovers whenever we put the fenders on. Because you know that's what's gonna matter. We're trying to be sitting good. We're trying to be sitting like that. Let me show you what that is. Look at this. Finger does not go in. About fire fitment. Look at that. Pushing. You can see how white my finger is on pushing. We're riding tight, baby. Fitment out. Who else am doing this, bro? Stop playing with me. Don't look at that. That was an accident. But without further ado, guys, I appreciate everyone for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment what you want to see done next to the Z. I mean, I pretty much got everything mapped out, but maybe I'll add some things, whatever you guys would like to see. What is the guesses for the wrap? Because the wrap is gonna come, and now that you see the wheels, maybe you can put it in your head exactly what I'm gonna be getting for the wrap. I mean, not a lot of things can go with these wheels. I don't think that would look super tough. I'm pretty picky with how I build things. I don't care what you do, just make sure you do it the best way possible. Now I'm out.